Hi guys, it's Ariel here from Fix My Books, and today we are going to be talking about how long till you get your refund. Okay, so here you can see that it says that the CRA's goals is to send your refund within 2 weeks when you file online or 8 weeks when you file a paper return. So that's the general timeline. Now, if you want a more specific timeline, I will actually link this down below. This is how you can check the CRA processing times. So let's say, you want to know how long till you get your refund. Click tax returns, claims. Okay, again, tax return, type of return. T1, that's what you file at the end of the year. And then you did it electronically, let's say. The date you filed, yes. Okay, so let's say the date we submitted this was, we want to submit before the deadline, so let's just say April 18. Okay, show targeted processing times. So here, you get a more specific date, so expect your notice of assessment by May 2. Again, this is more of when you're going to get your notice of assessment. So there's no guarantee that you're going to get your refund within 2 weeks, right? But you can see we chose April 18, 2 weeks, 1, 2. You see that May 2, right? So hopefully, they do it on time, but if they don't, again, these are just general guidelines from the CRA. So now you know how long it will take to get your refund and how to check it yourself using the CRA processing time calculator they have available online. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Ariel from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.